Hello students, today we will continue chapter factors and multiples. There are certain tests which can confirm whether a number is divisible by some other number. We will check by divisibility test. First we will discuss divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 when the last digit of the number is doubled and subtracted from the remaining number and the difference is 0 or number divisible by 7. Then the number is divisible by 7. Let us discuss example. Let's check if 413 is divisible by 7 or not. In first step, take its last digit, that is 3. Now double this last digit. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Now subtract this 6 from the remaining number. 41 minus 6 is equal to 35. Now 35 is divisible by 7. Hence 413 is also divisible by 7. Now we will discuss divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digits at hundreds, tens and ones is divisible by 8. Let's check by example. Let's check if given number is divisible by 8 or not. In first step, separate number by digits at hundreds, tens and ones. Number is 280. Now 280 is divided by 8. 280 is divisible by 8. Hence the given number is also divisible by 8. Now we will check divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Let's check by the example. Let's check if the given number is divisible by 9 or not. In first step, add up all the digits of the given number. 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 36. In next step, divide the sum by 9. 36 is divisible by 9. So, the given number is also divisible by 9. Now, we will discuss divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at ones place is 0. For example, 7442 is not divisible by 10 because its ones place digit is not 0. Now in next example, 10240 is divisible by 10 because its ones place digit is 0. In next example, 73 is not divisible by 10 because its ones place digit is not 0. And next, 1390 is divisible by 10 because its ones place digit is 0. Now, divisibility by 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at even places and sum of the digits at odd places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Let's check the given number is divisible by 11 or not. In first step, add all the digits in odd places and add the digits in even places separately starting from the ones place. First, sum of digits at odd places. 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 17. Now sum of digits at even places, that is 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 17. Now the difference of the two sums, that is 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. Hence the given number is divisible by 11. Now we will check divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by co-prime factor of 12. Let us discuss the example. 8520 is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 4. Therefore 8520 is also divisible by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Now home assignment. Thank you.